Alright guys, so I am back with a DIY sugar wax tutorial. I will put how I made the wax in the description, but it's just 2 cups of sugar, a 1/4 of a cup of water, and a 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. I actually use lime juice because I didn't have lemons, but I did have limes. So you're going to mix all those ingredients together into your pot and bring to a boil, making sure you're keeping an eye on it, occasionally stirring it. You'll let it cook until it's a nice golden brown color. Then allow the mixture to cool, and as it cools, it'll thicken up to be a texture that's similar to honey. It's going to be very, very hot, so make sure you test the temperature before you apply it to your skin. Today I'm going to be waxing my hairy armpits. This is about 2 weeks of growth, so yeah. And 1, 2. Ooh. Well, I really pulled, so here we go. This time, for real. 1, jasmine 2, and 3. Oh my god, I can't pull it. Oh my god. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh my god, bro. Whew. I'm hot. I can't pull it. I think I did. Bro. Oh my god. Ah! Ah! Bro. This stuff is really crazy. Okay, so to apply it to my skin, honestly, I just kind of put it on there and spread it out. The mixture is probably a little bit overcooked, so it's not initially spreading like I would want it to. But once you put it on there, it spreads out fine. Just kind of stretch it to the sections you want and then get ready to pull it. Oh my god, you see all this hair? Oh my god. Oh! Ah! It had been a minute, but like I didn't even realize like I was that hairy. So as your mixture sits, it kind of gets, obviously it thickens up. So what I did here is I kind of made it into a mold and then just applied that mold onto my skin and then spread it from there. It still works just as good, and it was still effective, so I like this method also. Honestly, you can see a huge difference, but there's actually still quite a bit of hair. But there's also been a lot of hair removed. It's just, I had a lot of hair. Your girl ain't even done with one armpit. Ah! So here's exactly what I mean by molding it. I'm molding it into a shape, and then I just put it onto my skin, and since it's not covering exactly the area that I wanted to, I can just spread it out from there as well, and it works just as good. Get that. Okay, that hurt. But look at this, bro. Okay, well, how about look at this? Do you see them follicles? Do you see those follicles? Like, fam. Ooh. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is my wax side. Alright, so now that I've waxed it, sugared it, I'm just gonna take a wet washcloth and kind of wipe it off. Just to get some of that extra sticky stuff off. Aloe vera gel I got from Trader Joe's. And then just rub it in. It doesn't hurt that bad, but it like hurts. And it's like, I know that if I was getting it done at the shop or at the place, whatever it's called, it would not hurt this bad. So I threw this bandana on for real, so I could thug it out and get through this last little bit. 1, 2, 3. Oh, my damn. One. I'm not ready. Not ready. All right, here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ah. Ah. Bro, I can't. All right. So maybe the soft wax would be better, because maybe with just one application you could just get it all out the way. The hard wax for sure takes a minute. So there you have it. My freshly sugared, oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my god, it's so soft. Freshly sugared armpits. My pits. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.